before me budget mamanya te honka krabe 1 minute minua kasa minua NDC ni kasa o kan bibi se MPP ye allow ma nyoma bi koso na omo de omo mpene e masa nyoma ne nkoso besre nya dia the new patriotic party just allowed but we feel say aban enu say aban de to me ehunu nkofo kuruma because under MPP's government and Dan Kwakufado's government you will Kroman mana why CEO no Malik Basitali it's not radio so can say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia the then flag bearer of MPP or report look at such an attack or report without any evidence Emma or the Gunufi he was a certain vice president we allowed it to slide because we know say posterity will catch up with him. Yura Sami Jenfi, eternal TV so. I can say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Akobutu, Asori and Kremonia, or Ya Laji, Akobutu software him say, Yamfa and Kataso, and Katanaso, a Gunimase, a Gunufi. We sat in this country, we allowed it to slide because government news are binding it to me, for. So we just didn't allow it to go. But we know that the other can be a posterity will catch up with you. Let's come to the budget. You know, budget, media, 45 minutes. But after 45 minutes, I knew that there was nothing in the budget. Because the budget, it is not ambitious enough. Because so budget and the healthcare was see the previous government, Nana Danko for the buying agenda 111, agenda 111. There's a hospital 111 no so busy no. Or from 10. No we nyete na emutan ni ebi say emudie ne die no mbefa because emutan no mbefa no ebi ne won ma yidi ye say less than 85% complete and the hospitals is almost finished ebi do omudi ba beka hu say on build these 6 new regional hospitals from those new regions that you create here no na the ebi say agenda 111 is in districts in this country. And any new regions now you're creating. You need any district agenda 111 ni bi wo ma obetimi aban betimi di aban sika a complete amna baba regional hospital na. And you know these are misplaced priority and I say aban ya wa na dwen say the achievement and I say ade o ba abem abaya na say obe hold the dollar no. And wonya na just obe spend in the wiase no say wo sika no mo ndia wo sika ni Yejina is a 1,000 Ghana cedis. Near you say a fastina. A bedroom on Sian Mreno. Near you know that's 1,000 Ghana cedis rich. And no now buy NDC buy or baby. Now you catch a Ghana for say, or more year, a move treachery, a boss here, MPP for Musha come triple year. At the end is of what Uncle Tuabana Mutua Batia MPP. And a buy budget or the buy. Just look at him conquering the policy. Yeah. Minya. So Ubana Utam Kukonkitin policy, not the NDC branch executive because you promised them in opposition say some Ubana Kukonkitin policy in the bar. You are John Dramani Mahama then. Now His Excellency the President told them then say a bar branch executive for Munshim. No wonder when they started the policy, they just gave it to their branch executives. Nanuka and Kanyabone. But no can say Anka policy by why be more Kubiano. Yamu Bianca, Nanki Yamabu. Nanka buy and say, oh. Anka busumi bia na yebema obi 500 cedis se de beya aban na ehwewu na wonye nkoko no ne ya ma obi yonkofo bi o mu manage mu ne bia mu WhatsApp platform bia yemamu tutorial because most of the people that do nkoko na mo they don't even know how to take care of this nkoko no etika aban busumi bia no aban mo 500 cedis ya ma this nye ma tutorials on a WhatsApp platform na in about 6 months bedru no na sa nipa no Ebia when you're teaching on the WhatsApp platform, no, Abaya investing in such a person. And to a tongue, we are about being getting, but this time, your time the amount. Home. Now, as one wafa. This is a policy that is not working. It is obvious in this budget, say they have abandoned the 24-hour economy. 24-hour economy, no 133, no, or more abandoned completely. Because the budget allocation to the 24-hour economy, no, it doesn't hold. Because as a major institution, Scrum because on year 24 economy, 133, which is license office and what started a pilot of Accra. You be saying Kumas or Muyebi Hana, but any other satellite areas, no Muyebi and now Munyebi. What's the plan? They do not have any plan for that. Ebium promise on Mudima Ghana for when they were in a position in campaign was to reduce the cost of living of Ghanaians. You be saying nay. Ya sitting Senate say, I want to know how much any ho. Aduane bo no, the anasa nyede. Amanfo say atete nnuane so ne ade. Ade a omure fini say emo a enra na 5 kg. ana ne bo was roma ye ne e say ne bo aba fom sa mo ne aba 4 kg and aba 4.2 enu na aba system no omo atete mo no the volume no so e no matete bo no so you cannot say mo na 5 kg and e dey be 120 Ghana cedis and e dey 80 cedis about 4 kg no ya so that's not what we are saying.
Really?
Yes, most of them would go to the market and see a more of 5 kg and 4.5 and 4.2 and 4 kg. That is what we are experiencing now. Nene abaya nua party and no more opposition now. No mutia say abaya because to planes ama mompanyina tinemu no. Ene omu ye sa bro no sa na nyame obetwa ni paka. Eba omu aban mu no. Ene ka omu dan omu mpanyimfo kukuda omu ye Ghana fo masom me de se be nyame de. Say even omu ko perish no. I have one of them or him a political mentor which is Mutala Mohammed. He's a fine communicator, fine political person. Now me pede na sempa. When that man we lost that man, I thought say we had lost a gem, somebody that the nation had invested into, and almost all of them. Look at the soldiers who perished, and because NDC for because of their numbers in parliament. I know money and number near Pano Speaker of Parliament. Omu diabroma aban no ntimi ankonkoto sa wiem sem omu ye madwen say o de obi against the ne esiye mu konkoto 2 presidential jets and 4 helicopters at the cost of 13.1 billion. Na ye say said the penny because let's give time some time. NDC no mo ye opposition bo MPP dimpone ehuru years 2 years rani abasa ame ho anya akono ame ntimi anton ye nsempa no nanka aban bi ba no say what the Ghana sika bo Ghana for ho bra me ya ko school ama na ye nya nipa bebra you can employ them to some places ebe boye na minua discussions no ka say a percentage of the people nipa you don't go free SHS no a lot of them don't transition into the tertiary institution but no credit say we didn't train all of them to transition them into tertiary institution because one thing is say akoda we GHS kusua carpenter adwuma now kura we SS kusua carpenter adwuma ba ko nsa no be fast ba ko all things being equal enti no credit say NDC buy no anka mu buy na anka you training the new Ghanaian youth am my employable no come for policy ba mu be running against them but they decided not to do that, abandon it and give us in Kukonketenkete with no plan.
Okay.
I got some water, blue water guard. And so, but I mean, you can't want them. Blue water guard, me anytime I see them, I see coffins. You move from that.
That is harsh.
Yes, no, the Jamaican and say, you train these people, look at what the Galamsey people are doing to our military men. Then you train these people, you don't give them arms, and you are saying that you are taking them to the Galamsey prone areas to go and fight these people who are fighting with arms. So when you do that, you are just subjecting these guys to threats of their lives.
Okay, medase abushafonti say nipa miensa no nyina no ye hunu